Hey YouTubers, Chris Willett here from Notes from a Vagabond. Just making a short video of this ground tamper I made. Real easy project, doesn't take that long. This is just an idea, you know. I laid in a pipe here and I'm putting in a little base rock on my driveway, and I wanted I want to tamp it down here and there, but I didn't want to buy a new tool. You know, these regular tamper will run 40-50 bucks. I don't use the tamper that often, so this one, you know, sweet little idea. I think we'll just do the job. I'll show you how I made it. So here it is, a real simple project. All I did is take a sledgehammer. I used my heaviest one. I think this is like 12 pounds. But the other thing I like about this is if I'm doing a lot of tamping on a side of a hill or something, I could go to like a 8-pound sledge, switch it out real easy. So let me do a little close-up here. So as you can see, I just used 2 U-bolts. I had some 1 1/8 plywood around, so I cut a couple pieces of them. If you don't got 1 1/8, you know, you can do 3/4. I might do 3 pieces just so this doesn't flex much. Then all I did is, you know, drill a few holes, notch it with a chisel, and then the other thing is I got some lock washers. I got a regular nut and a lock washer, so this isn't going to rattle loose when I do it. And then I put my screws to screw this on from this side here, because I made the mistake of putting them this way, and they'll get filled up with dirt and be hard to take apart, because you want to be able to get this apart real quick if you want to use your sledgehammer. So the other thing I just want to say is, you know, I don't use a tamper much. That's why I decided to make my own. I don't want another tool in my garage. This I can take apart and store real easy for, you know, the next time I need this kind of project. But I don't use the ground tamper very much. Anyway, if you like this movie, found it useful, got some ideas, you know, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you got something to say. Subscribe to my channel. Always appreciate you guys watching these. Thanks a lot. Bye.